This video is to show you how to create a pivot table in Google Sheets. So let's say I have all of this data right here, and I could manually make a chart like this to show how many kids in each class, each teacher did not meet, approaches, meets, and masters. Or I could use a pivot table to do that pretty quickly. So what you do for a pivot table is you're going to highlight all of your data. So if I highlight the top row and hit Control Shift down, that'll take me to the end of my data. And I'm going to go Insert Pivot Table. And I want it on a new sheet. So it's created a whole nother tab called Pivot Table 1. And now I have a blank pivot table. And now I'm going to decide what I want it to filter by. So I want the school in a row. And I also want the teacher there, just like I had in my other one. So school 1, teacher A, school 1, teacher B, school 1, teacher C, school 1, teacher D, so on and so forth, all the way down. And then I want my columns to be the performance levels. Okay, I want approaches, does not meet, masters. Notice they don't go in a particular order. You can do ascending or descending, but they're not going to be in the order necessarily that you want them to be. And it also adds that grand total column, and that's our sum column that we had in the other sheet. And then I also want the value. I want to know how many kids are in each of these performance levels. So I'm going to take performance level, I'm going to move it also to values. And so now I've got how many kids in each teacher have does not meet, masters, meets, and grant, and approaches, does not meet, masters, and meets. So sometimes it's hard to read. If you center it, makes it a little easier to see it. There you go. And then grand total is just adding up how many kids are in the total class. That's how you create a pivot table. It's very simple and it's quick. It's much faster than the other way.